Welcome back to another episode of Organic Family Gardens Organic in One. Organic lifestyle tips in just 1 minute. On today's episode, we share our recipe for making a natural streak-free surface and window cleaner. Things you'll need include 2 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar, a clean and empty spray bottle, half a teaspoon of dish soap, and in this case we're using a plant-derived dish soap, a funnel, and lastly some peppermint and tea tree essential oil. We'll start by placing our funnel into the bottle, adding our 2 cups of water, we'll add our dish soap and vinegar, and lastly, to neutralize the smell of the vinegar, I'll add about 5 to 6 drops of peppermint oil. If you'd like to increase the antibacterial properties, add 10 drops of tea tree oil to the spray as well. Shake well and use. And there you have it, a streak and chemical-free cleaner for use around the house. If you like what you just saw, give us a thumbs up and follow us on Instagram or Twitter. If you really like it and you're feeling bold, give us a subscribe or share. Thanks and see you again soon.